Hi there, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm cooking an easy risotto recipe with asparagus and peas. This needs very small amount of preparation, especially when you use stock cubes. So all I did, chop the onions and garlic. After that, heat the olive oil on a pan, then add the onion and cook until softened. Then add the chopped garlic and rice. Cook them until coated with oil. In this recipe, I don't use any white wine so anyone can eat. If you want to add, you do that at this stage and bubble it away. Then gradually add the stock, ladleful at a time and stirring it occasionally, and allow each ladleful to be absorbed before adding the next one. After 10 minutes, add your favorite vegetables. I'm using asparagus and peas for my recipe. Now I will cook it for further 5 minutes until the asparagus is almost cooked. Now I will add some peas. I'm using frozen peas for this recipe. Add some butter or mascarpone cheese if you want this to be very creamy. Stir it a bit. Then cover with a lid and cook for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, season the risotto to taste. At this stage, rice should be cooked al dente. Now I just serve it in a bowl and decorate with some rocket leaf and shaved parmesan. Trust me, it's so delicious, you must try. By the way, please hit the like button if you really like this simple recipe, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.